welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk all about potatoes. Some fun facts about potatoes. Potatoes grow underground. There are roots, and some tiny roots come out of the eyes. All over the eyes you know potatoes have eyes? Yeah, and do you see the eyes on the potato? Not these eyes on the potato, because this is not a potato. This is potato. These are the eyes. And some roots come out of the eyes. I did an experiment on this potato. And I put it in the garage I put it in my garage where there's no sunlight and no soil and no water and no anything. And then something amazing happened a lot. Something so amazing. One day, something came out of the eyes, of the potato eyes. To show you. And then some roots come out of the eyes. Stems. These potatoes for 2 months. We could cut the eyes and put it in the soil and regrow it all over again. We need to make some holes like these holes and then bury them like treasure. Let's bury them. Okay, let's go some soil on it. It's like treasure. Okay. Let's get planted. Done. And please like and subscribe my channel. Bye guys. Happy gardening. Woohoo!